Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Crypto Malta. My name is Kris and today we have another Bitcoin update. So as previously expected from the other videos, we said that we are expecting a reject from the W pattern neckline, which is around 45k. That happened, and we were kind of expecting a bounce from this broadening wedge resistance that should come support. But the thing that is concerning me, if you know some technical analysis, you know that when you approach a support, you should have the candles decreasing in size, which today it wasn't actually decreasing, but it increased in size. Actually, we have about 6%, and yesterday we had 3%. So it shows that the selling pressure is increasing and there is momentum, and the support, I think it will not hold of the broadening wedge. Another thing that is unfolding on the daily chart, we can clearly see on the other chart like this, okay? We can clearly see that instead of a W pattern, now we have an ascending triangle. We have 4 touch points on the resistance, and currently three touch points on the support. So what we're expecting? We're expecting for the following days to trade within this range. And as you may know, ascending triangle is normally a bullish formation, but it usually forms within an uptrend. When it forms within a downtrend, it's still considered as a continuation pattern, and it is most likely to break down, maybe retest and coming back down, rather than going up. So right now we're still waiting to see what will happen, but since we had a rejection on the 45k area and the daily candles seems to increase in size, showing me that there's increment in selling pressure, for me, I am more inclined to say that we're going down, and the technical target of it should be of around 30k. If we measure the triangle and put it maybe at this area, that would lead us to 30.7k. Okay, so we have two scenarios. Maybe we get that bounce that we are expecting from the broadening wedge. Depends if we break it here, which is also the golden pocket of the retracement Fibonacci, but it already seems that if you zoom in, it already seems that we're breaking it. So I'm not expecting a bounce there anymore, but more a break, or at least trading within this range, and we'll see later on. But this type of formation in a downtrend is still considered as a continuation pattern. So I think we're going back to 30k before we start a reversal. Maybe we have some reversal patterns here. So that's it guys for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this content, and see you tomorrow for the next update.